Fast and easy. If you want to record a voice message or you want to record a conversation or something like this, all you have to do is find the recorder application of this phone. Here it is, recorder. If you don't find it, you maybe must to download one in the Play Store, but this is the default option, so you're gonna give it all the permission, allowed, and now you can use it. Now let's go back, and all you have to do is press here the recording, and 1 2 3. If the video was good for you, remember to give me some bucks, please. That's gonna make me very happy. Subscribe and comment, and you stop your recording, you add a title, and it's saying maybe the day of today. Okay, and you save it, and now you can hear it. Let's hear it fast. So that's all for this video, and thank you.